Phil! Nice to see you enjoying your side-by-side refrigerator. Side-by-sides are a popular choice. They offer a lot of vertical flexibility and a nice spacious freezer. They even allow the little ones to easily reach their snacks from the bottom shelf. On the other hand, those big tall doors can occasionally present some tricky situations. Sometimes a little extra space is needed when moving a fridge through tight places. If this happens, you can just remove the doors. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm nut driver. Also, the doors can be heavy, so you're definitely going to need a friend to help out. If your fridge has been previously connected to a dispenser system, make sure to turn the water supply off and to disconnect the water line. First, using a Phillips head screwdriver, take off the top cap or any other piece covering the hinges. The top of the refrigerator usually has wiring through at least one of the hinges. Remove any connectors that will get in your way when you remove the door. Just squeeze the clip to release the connector. Next, remove the plastic shielding from the bottom of the refrigerator. The bottom hinge of the refrigerator will have the plumbing for the dispenser behind the shielding. Push the gray collar into the fitting to release the tube. Have a friend hold the door while you unfasten the top hinge. Now, lift and remove the freezer door. To prevent denting or damaging the panels, it's very important that you do use your knees to brace the doors as you move them. Also, be sure to keep it in a safe place where it won't tip over. The refrigerator doors might also have wiring to remove, but otherwise it's a very similar process. Keep in mind that those handy showcase doors can be heavier, so be sure your friend helps out. The bottom hinges are attached with 10mm bolts. You can remove them if necessary. To reinstall the doors, just repeat the same process in reverse. When you finally have your fridge in the exact right spot and perfectly leveled, the doors might be a little off from each other. Not to worry, there are a few simple adjustments you can do to make it right. First, adjust the height of the door that's sagging. Use the included spanner to turn the bolts. Now that your doors are back on, remember to connect the water line and turn the water supply back on. If any leaks occur, check the plumbing connections behind the shielding. To recap, if you're moving your side-by-side fridge through a narrow space, you can remove the doors. Before you begin, make sure to turn off the water supply and disconnect the water line. Next, remove the hinge covers and plastic shielding, then disconnect the wiring and plumbing. Remember, the doors are heavy, so be sure to have a friend lend a hand when lifting and moving those big side-by-side doors. When you're ready, reinstall the doors and don't forget to reattach all connections, including the water line. Then turn the water back on and check for leaks. Finally, use the spanner to level out the doors. This sort of disassembly may seem a little intimidating at first, Phil, but if you take your time, it's very manageable. You got this!